Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am Sarah and I am a first-time mum to baby Sophia, who is 4 months old. Now, because I had Sophia just before we went into lockdown in the UK due to coronavirus, I haven't had a chance to go to any baby classes or do anything to learn and grow as a new parent of different activities to do. So I have been reaching out to different people that I know personally who have babies, but also on Instagram. If you don't already follow me on Instagram, I've got a lot of lovely new mum friends on there that I've never met, but I feel like I have. And one of those mum friends is a parent consultant and nanny and has so much expertise, and I've been going to her a lot for different ideas. And she has a website. I'll leave her Instagram handle here and her website in the description box below. But she has given me some ideas to do some DIY sensory bags, and that is what today's video is all about. That was a really long intro. I hope you're still with me after that. So today I'm going to be kind of doing it like a vlog. I'm going to be showing you how I make them and then how Sophia plays with them and different ways that she could play with them. First of all, I'm going to make a shopping list of things that I need. I'm just going to, I've screenshotted, can you hear my dog barking in the background? Right, I've screenshotted, oh, I thought I'd screenshotted it. Oh. Right, I found the message you sent me of different ideas. So, sensory bags, large Ziplocs. So I do need large Ziplocs because I've only got small ones, so like clear Ziploc bags. Bright duct tape. Now I have normal duct tape, but I'll see if there's any bright tape. I'm only going to Tesco. It's my weekly shop, so I'm going to Tesco to see what I can find. Right, so make up 4 bags and tape them all together to place on the floor and use them like a tummy time. So water beads, I don't know if I'll get those from Tesco, but that is something you could do, water beads. So food colouring, I've got a couple, but I want some more colours. So food colouring, I think I've got purple and green maybe. Large pom-poms. Now a lot of this stuff you'll probably have at home, so dried pasta, already got. A sheet of foil with water and glitter or shiny confetti or sequins. So maybe I'll get some glitter and pop that in water. I do need so shaving foam. I need some more because if you saw my messy play video, I'll leave a link to that. I'm trying to think which side it'll be. I'll leave a link to that here. So shaving foam, I need some more because I used it on my last messy play video. Oil, we've got oil, so a lot of these things I've already got. Okay, right. So, thanks Kirsty for those ideas. Let's see how we get on with them. So these are pretty big. These are extra large Ziploc bags. So I think I'll be able to get enough stuff in them for tummy time. I'm gonna pour all these in and see what it looks like and then decide if I need to also add foil. Don't want them to go everywhere. I've got some aluminium foil. I might like rip it up a bit. Rosie's like, what are you doing, mummy? What's going on, Rosie? What's mummy doing? Now I'm going to put some water in. Make sure it's definitely tied properly, zipped properly. And I'm also going to let the air out. I think I'm going to put even more water in actually. I might put the full jug in. So that was 2 litres. Ah, no, I didn't tie it up properly. Fail. It's gone all over the floor. It's my first one done. So obviously as she lays on it, it will be a bit squishy. And I will tape it as well. Enough air to move around, but not too much, so it's going to be uncomfortable. That looks really cool. I think next I might do another water one with the foam letters and numbers in. I think that will look really good. Another bag. Here's what they come in. I will try not to spill it this time. Moment of truth. Ah, no! Oh, what is wrong with me? Literally got everywhere. I think that's done now. Just talking to the dog. Apart from the fact that my floor and table are covered in water now, I'm pretty pleased with this one as well. Right, yes, I've suddenly changed tops. I was really hot in my other top, and it's actually a couple of hours later now. I went to meet a friend on a walk, and I didn't want to go in that t-shirt because I was a bit hot and sweaty in it. So it's the same day, but just a few hours later. Anyway, the next bag I'm going to do is water, oil, and food colouring. I've got my Ziploc bag, and I'm going to mix it up in the bowl, in the jug first. Right, I don't know how much to put in. What does that look like? A little bit more. You want all the bubbles, I think. Ooh, it's cool. Let's pop in a bit of this. It's like a, it's gel, so I hope it has the same effect. And mix it all up. Oh, that looks really cool. I feel like I'm making a potion. Right. So let's hope I can do it without ruining it. A bit nervous. Okay, hang on. Oh, I didn't get the air out. Do it again. I think that's done. Nervous. Yay, that's done. I'm not sure if I've done it right because it just looks like a big green bit of water, but it'll still be cool for her to see and feel. So it's just squishy enough to move about. The final one is the pom-poms, and I might cut some pipe cleaners up and put those in as well because there's not that many. I don't think it'll fill the bag, so yeah, definitely gonna need something else in there. Oh, it's got a cool card as well in here. Oh wow, didn't see that. Maybe I'll pop this card in as well, as like a backing to make the pom-pom shiny. Right. So you didn't really see what I was doing there, but I've popped some card in and I just taped it at the back. So it's like that so far, and I'll put some pipe cleaners in. I might not cut the pipe cleaners up actually, because then I can use them again for something else if I wanted to. I might just like bend them or something. Bend them round in a little thing, look. And that's what they look like. Obviously, I can shake them all about, but I think that'll be fun. So this is the setup, and under Joe's instructions, which is a good idea, I have double bagged the water ones. So I've just popped the bag inside, popped some masking tape at the top, so it stays, and done that. Now I've masking taped this. This bit doesn't look the prettiest, but I'm sure Sophia won't mind. So I'm excited. Let's try it. What's this? Trying to eat it, are you? Does it look edible? Does it feel funny? And she's pulled that one up already. I mean, I could have taped them all the way around, to be honest. It's a good job I've double backed the water ones. Little Miss Claus.
I was never the one to write up a song for just anyone. I was always the one to find myself lost in all conversations. Oh, 'cause I've always been told that things will unfold if you keep on waiting. But then you came along and proved me all wrong. I was so mistaken. 'Cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free, oh my sweet baby. I was never the one to give up the ghost.
I don't think you can see very well, but I have taped it to the window now, the shiny one. I think this would look really awesome on a sunny day with the light shining through, but as you can see, it is cloudy. So I'm going to give this a go and see if she likes it up here. She might want to touch it and play with it.
Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free, oh my sweet baby.
Thank you so much for watching this video. As you can see, Sophia really liked it, and I would definitely recommend it. It's quite fun making your own baby activities up as well. If you like this kind of video and you want to see more DIY play activities and me just experimenting with new ideas, then let me know down in the comments below. Let me know if you've got anything you want me to try. So Sophia is 4 months old, so as she starts to get older, I'll be looking for new ideas. So please share them with me. Let's help each other out. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification so you don't miss a video, and I'll see you next time.